welcome to our channel. My name is Poppy. This is Alisa.
I'm Alisa. I'm so glad to be here today. What are we going to draw today?
We're going to draw kiwi fruit today. Do you like kiwi fruit, Alisa?
Yes, it's so sweet and juicy.
Yeah, it sounds good. So I got some information about the kiwi fruit. In the early 20th century, cultivation of kiwi fruit spread from China to New Zealand. Now, let's find out those colors that we're going to use for. So, we use the brown for the skin of the kiwi fruit and two light green and dark green for the juicy part. And we use the yellow for the crown to drawing a funny kiwi fruit. Are you ready? Let's start it?
Yes, let's start it.
Yay! Okay, so first we use the marker to draw the kiwi fruit. We should draw the crown first, so we draw like 3 rectangles like that. That's so nice. And then we adding circle on it for the decoration of the crown. Good. Now we're adding the behind part of the crown. Just adding another rectangle on those gaps. Good. Now we're adding a curved line for the crown. Okay, Alisa, what's the shape of the kiwi fruit?
Oval.
Yeah, that's right. So we draw a big oval. Nice. So the outside part is the skin. So what's inside? The juicy part, right? So we draw another oval of that. Just trace the oval we draw before very carefully in the gap for the skin part. That's good. So now we can draw like a start for the juicy part inside the kiwi fruit like that. You can see the shape after you cut the kiwi fruit in half, right? That's good. I like your shape. Now we're adding another details for each gap. Yeah, you can add one more under here. Okay. Let's draw the eyes, like funny eyes for the kiwi fruit. So we can draw a circle, then color in. And a pinky eyes. Yeah, that's so nice. Okay, and a mouth smile face. Yeah, that looks so cute. Now we're adding, how about we adding a hand and the legs for the funny kiwi fruit?
Okay.
Yeah, so we do the pose like yeah. Looks like bunny, isn't it? And I think one more finger here. Okay, the other hand, we just draw a circle. And adding a finger. Then connect with that. Well done, Alisa. Now, what are we missing?
The legs.
Yeah, that's right. So we're drawing the legs. Then connect with that. So we talk about the kiwi fruit is sweet and juicy, right? So we can add some water drop around the kiwi fruit. Yeah, we can add one more here. Now the kiwi fruit looks like, yeah, like drumming, right? So we can add some motion line here. Okay, we've done the draft with the marker. Let's color in. So we use the brown for the skin. We can use the thin side, which helps us better to draw the details. Let's color in the skin. Try to do that in one way, it's more smooth for the color. You did a great job, Alisa. And don't forget to color in the arms and the legs. That's so good. Okay, now we change to the green part, the juicy part. We use the light green first. Use the thin side to draw the inside juicy part. Alisa, what's your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Apple. It's juicy and sweet also, right? That's so good. And with this part also. Nice. Then we change the darker green to draw the other part of the juicy kiwi fruit. We can use the thin sign to outline those first. Wow, that looks so good. And don't forget to color in the hands and the feet. We're using the same color for the water drop, cause that's the juice from the kiwi fruit. Nice, looks so yummy, right? Okay, now we use the yellow. We color in the crown. And don't forget to color in those little decoration on the crown. Nice! Wow, you're doing that so quick. Well done, Alisa. So this is our final result of the kiwi fruit. We've done amazing work. How do you feel about that?
Great. The kiwi fruit is so cute.
That's good. Okay guys, thank you for watching our tutorials. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, please comment below.
Please smash a like button, subscribe us.
See you next time.
Bye.